Welcome to internet-tutors.org. Today in this video I am going to try to cover the 5 experience interview question which has been asked in Unix. So please note down this question, write this point in in your diary and just try to understand what is. If any doubts, please write in the comment sections your doubts, so I will going to handle after some time. So be patient. So let's move on the lecture. What is bash shell? It is free shell designed to work on the Unix system, default shell for many Unix based system, and combine the feature of both C and console. It operates within the text window where the user provide input command to execute the various tasks. It supports the execution of command through shell script file and help in automation task. Please mention the network command in Unix. It is widely used command in the network troubleshooting and test the network connection. It is used to check the two nodes of the network and send information in packets to the user defined source. If the packets are received, destination again send the packet. Ping stands for Packet Internet Groper. It sends the IMC echo request for checking the network connectivity, and execution is still going on until it is stopped by ctrl+c command. It is used for checking the connection as a timing information. Ping google.com will also display its address. It is the tool that verifies the IP level connectivity to another TCP computer. Suppose any CRM application is not working in an organization. In case of downtime, you can check the response of pin command on one system to another system. It provides the details like number of packet transmitted, number of packet received, time required for packet to return. Syntax: either you write ping hostname, this is ping google.com, or either you write the ping google.com IP address, okay, and execute it. So see, I have just execute this google.com in the Ubuntu terminal. So when I execute it, that this 64 disk is continuously moving, but when I just type ctrl+c, then it's exit from this pin.google.com chain, and we just give you the display the 5 packets transmitted, 3 received, 2 duplicate, 40 packet loss, time itna, and this RT minimum average, all this it's defined. So telnet, it is used as to establish remote connection for the system within TCP network, and it is used for logging remotely. One can manage numerous systems from the terminal. Telnet protocol is not secure and safe because it sends the data in an encrypted format. We can connect destination host through Telnet protocol. Telnet connection established on port means that two hosts is working fine. It is used to check the status of host, whether it is alive or not, and network connection is proper or not. Telnet hostname and port. When you write it, suppose see unable to connect to remote connection issue. If this nothing is coming and just blank after execution this command telnet IP address and port number, and it's blank, then it means the telnet is that and connectivity between the two system is happening. Suppose you want to check whether the telnet is happening of any applications or not. So you can do telnet on one system of application, another user of system that if the telnet happening, then it's can say that there is no network connection, there is network connection is properly fine, okay. So FTP, you can transfer file to host. FTP stands for file transfer control. It connect to the remote host for exchanging or transferring files and directly from one host local host name over the network. Use buy and quit command. FTP session can be log out. So when we write the FTP, so all the command details will be just display you what the commands are meant under this, so it will display it. But when you write whether FTP, that this exclamation card, it will come out of the FTP section. When you write also FTP buy, then also it will come out of the FTP session, and when you write quit also, then it will come out of the FTP session, okay. SU, it is used for switching. It is user switching command. It is used to run shell as another user. SU username. SU commands default to the root account in which Unix is the system administration account when you have not provided a user. Password is associated with account in which you are trying to run the command. You are logging into the user account until you are trying to log out. Press Ctrl D to exit logging at the command prompt. Switching user on the Unix system is fundamental aspect of system administration. SU stands for substitute user. Finger. It is used for viewing user information like displaying login name of user, real name of user, terminal name, and write state. It is rarely used and it is called as information gathering command. It is used to display the information how many users are logging into system. It is used to display logging name, idle name, full name, office address, office location, and user email address. Difference between CMP and DF command. After first mismatch is found, it is compared two files byte by byte. It is used to make two files that are identical to other by doing certain changes. It is to compare two file line and line. Directory name cannot be used, directory name can be used. It is used to find a difference between the file. We list the line number and column line. It is used to find a difference between directory. We list the different files and subdirectory between two directories. It is used for files in TXT format. It is used for file in binary format. Compare file 1, file 2. It is used to display the first difference between the files. It is also used to display the difference between the diff file 1, file 2. Okay. So in this previous side might be it is not properly visible. So I will just so it is used to display first difference between the files. It is to display all the difference between the files. Okay. So have you clearly seen? So we are just we are moving on this. So what is super user? It is a type of user who had received access to open file in the system and use command on the system. Please note it down that logging of super user is root and it is protected by a root password. Super user accounts are used for administration work by Linux administrator. Below rights are provided to create and modify files, to install software, read, write and execute writes, delete user and its relevant data. What is the use of T command? It's get data from standard input and send it to the standard output. It moves the copy of input file into file that was specified. It is used with pipe and filters. It split the output of file for display and save purpose. I hope that this point have been jotted by you for the interview question. Please watch this video again for the better concept, and please try to subscribe internet-tutors.org for the new coming videos for the Unix related series. So in this interview question I am just trying to explain you in the English. Whatever the any difficulties, please comment in the section. But when I try to make the tutor of Unix, so I will just make you in the Hindi, so my Hindi user can easily understand and get maximum benefited. Okay, thank you for this video. Thank you for your help and support for watching this video. Thank you.